influence anybody when you are a year old?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think, well, no, you're not even really conscious of things and stuff like that. But you do, because you can't feed yourself in a year, can you?
Right.
So you have to change mom or dad's thoughts, beliefs, or actions. And God has hardwired into us a little sort of basic influence skill. When you're a year old and you're hungry and you want mom or dad to get off the couch and come and feed you, you just do what? You just simply go, and mom or dad, oh, kid's hungry, you gotta go in there and gotta feed him. Now, if you're 40 years old today and you're still using the scream method, you really need to live. But isn't it true? We know people like that. We've interacted with them. They say, well, this is what we should do, this is what we should do, this is what we should do. And people say, no, 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 it's not a good idea. And they go, grow up, you're 40, come on. Now, a little bit later, when you're, let's say you're 6 or 7, and what might you want when you're 6 or 7? You might want a bike. And if your kids are anything like my kids, they want to influence you to buy the bike. So they simply say, Dad, can I have a bike? Mm-hmm. Dad, can I have a bike? I want a bike. Can I get a bike? I want a bike. Can you get a bike? I really need a bike. Can you give me a bike? Yes, I do. What? And you go, yes, I'll give you a bike. Just quiet. But they've influenced you. They've changed your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. You grab them by the hand, you take them down to whatever store, you buy them a bike. When you're in high school, I'll speak from the male perspective. You want to date that girl, you want to take her to the prom, you have to influence her, you have to get her to change her thoughts, because right now she thinks you're a dork. When you get out of high school, you influence a college admissions counselor to let you in. When you get out of college, you influence a boss to give you a job. When you're in sales, you have to influence the people to buy from you. When you want to get married, you have to influence the father-in-law to actually let the whole thing go through. When you want to buy a house, you have to influence a banker to give you a loan, unless you're very successful and fortunate, and you just cut the check.